Guys, welcome to True Force Machinery in Parkersburg, West Virginia. Today I would like to introduce to you with the cutest mini skid steer ever. This is the AGT MX-MRW14. Lots of bunch of letters, useless, nobody cares. This machine looks small. In fact, it weighs 1,600 pounds and it can lift 650 pounds. Now, as we all know, I'm 6'3" and I weigh over 200 pounds probably. I eat a lot for holidays and in the winter you can't really see the belly, so I can eat a lot. This machine has wheels on it, actual rubber wheels, and it's all-wheel drive. Now it has a massive benefit when it comes with wheels. First, it's faster.
I want to go fast.
Second of all, it can go on grass without leaving no marks like the tracks does. And as some people like to say, the tracks seems to fall off the machine. Can't happen over here. Now, it has the classic 15 horsepower Rato engine in it. They also have a feature that doesn't really exist in most of the mini skid steers, including the more expensive ones. It has a self-leveling feature. And what does self-leveling feature means? Basically, it's all about this section over here. There is extra bars going this way and this way. And what it allows you to, when you lift it up and down, the bucket stays at the same level, which means you can basically put a bottle or a cup of water on top of it, lift it up and down, and the water will not spill. Like on the other machines, when you lift it up and down, the bucket goes in a slope up and in a slope down. And we're going to show you how it goes. Now, it does have an hydraulic cooler and a fan on it, just like all the other mini skid steer does. Very easy to operate, operates like any other machine on the market. And the good thing about this machine, we sell it for $2,999. This is the cheapest mini skid steer in America because we made a promise that every household in America deserves to own a mini skid steer. And we take our promise very seriously. Now you see, even snow arrived, and I'm Santa Claus over there. Now let's start it up and show some of the basics of this machine. Starts right up. Now pay attention to the self-leveling, okay? That's the important part. Now you can rotate the bucket, but when you take it up, look at it. It just stays the same. You see? The slope is always the same when you take it up and down. And when you take it down, it stays the same. So if you put something on it, a bottle or a bucket, it will always stay in the same position. Amazing. Look at it, the same slope all the time. Taking it down, even if you do it fast, it stays the same level. This is one of the features that I believe every skid steer should have, and it just doesn't. Not even the brand names, they don't have that. And this machine, $2,999, and it has it. As I said, all-wheel drive. So you can rotate it on the spot, you can 360 it, you can do whatever you want with it. She goes very nice. It has a lot of power, it can self-lift itself. And this machine weighs 1,600 pounds and it just lifts itself. You can drag it like, when you have a dog and they drag their butts off the ground, you can actually do that with this machine. Surprisingly, this machine, although it's very cheap, comes with all the features that doesn't really happen in the more expensive one. Now, it does have a smaller bucket, which is, to my eyes, a very big benefit in it. It is a deeper bucket than the buckets that comes on the other machines. But you can load it up and not worry about tilting it over. So as I said again, this AGT has wheels on it, on tracks. It's all-wheel drive, it can go anywhere, even in the snow. And it has self-leveling. You put forks on them, which we also sell, and you can lift stuff with the forks, boxes, and they will never tilt. You don't need to worry about adjusting the bucket going in and out, which is the biggest feature. At $3,000, well, you get $1 back. At $2,999, this machine is just the best money can buy. So come over and see us at True Force Machinery, West Virginia. We have massive selections of machines, massive selectors of excavators, skid steers, dump trucks, just about anything you want. And we promise you, because we promised every household in America deserves to own a mini excavator or mini skid steer, we will be the cheapest dealer in America, and we will make it affordable and accessible for every person in America. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, ho ho ho! Thank you very much, guys.